I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it. Welcome to another weekly vlog. I'm Coleen. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. So I'm here, I'm watching Ginny and Georgia. If you watch Ginny and Georgia, please comment down below. Make we have a conversation, and I'm not gonna spoil it for anybody, so if you watch it, just comment so we can chat down below. But anyways, it's Tuesday. I am actually at home doing some work, and I decided to pause and start off the vlog because I really don't know where it's gonna take us. I'm lying, I do know where it's gonna take us. So we're going to the National Stadium tonight because my son has been killing me. He saw a billboard with the upcoming, well, with the match tonight between Jamaica and Guatemala, and since then he might kill me. So I told him we're not going, but I got our tickets, I got our shirts, and we are definitely going. I'm actually excited for that because I don't know, I'm a football girly through and through. I can't play, but I am a good spectator, okay? Yeah, and they're coming off tomorrow, so we're getting a bit of maintenance in this vlog as well. I tell me why I went up to my son's school yesterday because I was assisting his teacher with something, and one of my students were like, "Auntie, you know, say nails won't come off now." I said, she might kill me. But say, "Hello, young sir, I'm going to get my nails done tomorrow." Wednesday, because why me never have a surgery. Listen, them premises, them not hold on, you know. I'm love that for them. But anyways, just gonna finish up working, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and of course hit the post notification bell so that every time I post, you'll be one of the first to know. Okay, all right, so let's just see where this vlog takes us. I hope you guys are having a great week as per usual. Comment down below and let me know how your week has been going or how it went, and we'll chat in the comment section. So I'll see you guys a little bit later when I look a bit more put together, because right now I'll be looking like a young man. I washed my hair yesterday, but anyways, child, ma try, all right, ma try it clean, and that's all that matters. But as I said, let's see where this video takes us, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I'm giving a little rundown of what's been happening. So as I don't know, I did go to the football match. However, before that, I went to the supermarket to grab a few little things, you know, like some little things for the house, right? So when we're ready for leave the supermarket now, I tried to start my car and it never want to start. I called the person responsible for my alarm system, and he said that's not the problem. They didn't know I tried to start. Call my friend who was supposed to go to the match with, she have to come, and we try to no avail. have to leave the car in the parking lot at the supermarket, go to the match because I don't spend my money already, so it have to work. So go to match, and then when we were leaving the match, we went back for the car. When I tell you, that was the longest 3 hours of my life to get the car. For maybe, all right, the car driving regularly, it would have been like a 5 minutes drive. We took about 3 hours to get home. So in Shalong, and the long and short of the story is, I'm having car trouble, so I'm not having a car today. Today is my nail appointment, right? So I'm gonna have to ask one of my friends to take me and pick me up. Meanwhile, I'm gonna have to ask them to get the parts at the the auto shop, and get the mechanic to come to my home and deal with my car. I'm in no mood. I'm tired. I'm stressed out. I don't know. I never bargained for this. Guys, when you're putting away sinking funds or emergency funds, if you have a car, do an emergency fund specifically for your car, because one thing one car gonna be, and that is unpredictable. I want to tell you, say this not go cheap. Believe. I'm gonna go get my nails done, and hopefully by the time I finish, the car ready. Guys, stressful. But anyways, later. I should keep them long or go a little shorter. I'm thinking long. When I do long nails, they come off easier. So I'm gonna probably cut them down a little bit.
Let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in a daze. And you tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't command my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus.
Oh, good. So guys, the mechanic is here, and my baby is all the way upside down. Okay. Yes, very depressing. Alright guys, so I'm home. Excuse the mess, my whole life is in shambles right now, like literally. Let me do a little rundown. Did I tell you earlier about the car and whatever? So we went and got the parts as well that it needs, as well as we went and got the part that it needed based on what the mechanic thought the issue was, right? So we're gonna get that now. I'm gonna get the servicing parts them as well, because the car did want service. My friend dropped me off to get my nails done, and then it not too long got back. Here are the nails, by the way. Cutesy love. I'm in love. Yeah, those are the nails, and you know, it's just French tips on my toes with the same yellow, butter yellow. It's so pretty. I love it. Love, love, love. If your nail tech uses DND nail polish, then this is a DND DV 219. That's the polish that I use for the yellow, the butter, to get the butter yellow color. I'm in love with this set. Yeah, so I was telling you, get the part come. When I come now, tell me why the mechanic said the wrong. Them give me the wrong part for it. It's the right part, but it's not for my car. I say me pick me pull up out, them I pick me pull up. I'm sure no one can clip out, she pull up, she pull right up. So yeah, so my friend gone back and get that. As well as tell me why him know I say the gas filter one change. Him say about 40 at 60 at for that way me. What does he mean? Him asked me how low my drive for my gas. He said that caused the problem because my drive too low. I'm gonna tell you no, I'm very upset minded and that's a bad thing. So a lot of times like I will know I need gas and just put it off and then totally forget about it and then check my gas needle and then realize that I'm all the way low, and that's the time when the choose for go. So now after I'm finished, I'm gonna full my tank. And you see, when I fill my tank, every few days I will be at that gas station topping up that gas. Because what I'm not going to do is go through this again. Like, what could you tell me? The whole apartment is in shambles, upside down, and I am just fully stressed out. Like, this is not the vlog I planned for you guys. It's not. But you know, look for me here, guys. Look for me here. I know say pull up everything, but it's a grow. It really a grow since the time. Since I watched it, and I can admit, and it's a little bit thicker. Oh, and guess what? Somebody sends me a company or place or whatever that sells the oil. So I'm gonna go there maybe tomorrow. Maybe not, cause after this, all of this car thing, I'm probably broke and not have it. I have to wait till next week when I get the money. But yeah, we'll see. Right now though, I'm just stressed out. I know I look exactly like what I'm going through. Happy my nails are done though, because for my nails done, everything is right with the world. But yeah, I just had to do that with enough about my friend can get the parts, he's gonna come back later. And remember, this is a house call that the mechanic has to do, so that's more than if you went to the shop. You know that, right? Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna drink some water and get some breeze because the place is hot, and just sit down and wait until them come back and do what them have to do. I'm tired. I'm going to have exam tomorrow again, so I have to go find the strength for touching with him later because it's science. Yeah, I'm gonna have to help him study later. Oh, I'm gonna work from morning. I don't know, I'm never cut out for this. The car life. All I want, and all I've ever asked for is a soft life. When we need a soft life. But anyways, later, guys. Hey guys, so it's been a minute. It's actually Friday, and I'm closing the vlog out today. I know it wasn't much, but guys, I was stressed all the way out. I haven't had my car from Tuesday evening when my show, no, so I never have my car. So something happened to my car, and we had to, use our forces and our drive to bring it home. I haven't had a vehicle since, and my son for go to school and pick up and all of that, and it really did mash me up. I'm really stressed all the way out because I forget I could get my friend for bring him, and it was just a whole ladder. So everything on my plan for this week's vlog, I didn't get to do any of it. Really and truly, like literally nothing. But the good news is we're back in my car. My baby's up and running. And be careful, guys, of those persons that you use to put in your alarms and your kill switches and your trackers. Be careful. Guys, me spend over $40,000 when me never have to spend, if you know what I mean. But we're not gonna go into that because we're not dwelling on the negativity. No, we're not gonna do that. So thank God we figured out what the problem was. It's up and running and we're good now. But as me that say, nothing I had planned for this week's vlog went as planned, so we have to pick it back up next week. But I'm still gonna give you the vlog regardless, even though it was very uneventful, because as I keep telling y'all, this is real life and this is what happens in real life, right? And this is my real life in real time. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I promise you that next week will be a better vlog. I'm ending it here and not tomorrow because I'm definitely not doing anything tomorrow. My son has his prep exams coming up next week, so we have to study. So yeah, I'm gonna just edit it and give it to you Sunday morning bright and early. But thanks again for watching. Like the video, guys, comment, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below so we can have a little chit chat in the comment section as well. You know, that boosts up the video, push it out a little bit. And so yeah, we need every engagement and interaction that we can get because we're growing our channel on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Right, I'm up on the roadside. I try to get something real quick, so that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.